Hello and welcome to John Banks Honda, part of the John Banks Group. I'm here at our Bury St Edmunds branch where we have an absolute fantastic Adria 640 SGX Twin Sport van. So here we have it. It's a one owner vehicle registered on the 10th of August in 2023. So it's a 23 reg. The Twin Sport model gives you the absolute brilliant electronic bed at the back, and it has the pop top up in the roof, which I'll show you later. This vehicle has been ordered with every single factory option you can possibly have on an Adria 640. So anybody looking at one of these, you'll realise this is the full spec. So to start with, this denotes that it has the 180 bhp engine. It has the 9-speed automatic gearbox, and it has all of the packs available from Fiat when it was new. So it has the safety lane keeping and all of the additional extras, the wheels. As you can see coming along the side, it has the diamond cut wheels, it has the LED headlights, it has the colour coded bumper with the wider wheel arches, because this is on a 4.25 tonne chassis, so you need a C1 licence for this. So basically, you know, it's a little bit heavy. It has a Webasto diesel heating system that runs off the van's diesel tank. It runs on AdBlue. So just going on here quickly, this is obviously where you fill the fuel up in the AdBlue there. And it has a cut-off, so if you're leaving it in the winter, you turn that and it cuts the battery, so you're not going to be having a flat battery. This is the Thetford cassette toilet, and you drain the water tank, the wastewater tank here, using this. So you just put that in there, turn it, and then that will drain all your wastewater off. Has an outside shower with an attachment that goes in here, so hot and cold, as you can see there. So if you're going to wash the dog off, or wash your boots off, or wash your bits and pieces. So here it says it, Twin 640 SGX Sports. So the beauty about this one is you have the roof that goes up, and you have the rear electric bed that will raise and lower electrically. So you can put bicycles, motorcycles, scooters, motocross bike, whatever you want to put in the back of the van. So coming around the back of the vehicle, it has the Thule twin bike rack matched in black with the lock to lock your bikes on. So very safe. It also has the addition of the tow bar, which, you know, if you want to put another bike rack on the back or tow, it has the additional option of a spare wheel, which is underneath the vehicle, which is an option. The rear camera at the back. It has air conditioning on the vehicle. And as you can see, the doors open, and absolutely fantastic space. It also has the cover on the rear bumper, so you don't scratch the bumper getting in and out. And I'll just give you a quick demonstration. So if you've got lots of stuff in the back, here you have the ability to put that there to stop things going forward. And in the back here, the top two drawers are drawers, and the bottom ones fold down to put more stuff in, so exactly the same. Plenty of heating vents in the back here. Like I said, it's got a diesel hot air blowing system. Underneath here, where the mattress is, this is the shower that we were talking about. And you've got various storage compartments along here for putting your little bits that you don't obviously need to get. Blinds, everything in here. Storage compartments here. You've got the rail system on the floor, so you can tie everything here up. And of course, there's your Thule 4-metre awning. That's your handle to open your awning up. In here, it takes 2 LPG bottles, and there's storage in there for other stuff as well. So the best bit, you can either have this vehicle with the bed up, and you can obviously push it through there, long things, And then when you reach your destination, you have the ability to put the rear bed down, and it's the whole width of the van. So absolutely amazing. You've got cupboard space above both sides, you've got small lights, you've got air conditioning unit above, so if you're in the depths of a hot climate with it, aircon plugged into the mains, away you go. You've got fly screens on all of the windows, and you've got USB sockets up the top. And like I say, when you can leave all your covers on here, and like I say, the ladder, and then when you're done during the day, up goes the bed. Has LED lights underneath for the garage here, and we also have a hanging rail at the back there. You see the chrome rail, so you can hang, if you want to hang your jackets, coats and what have you on there, you can do that also. Like I said, these are your fly screens on here, and then you have the night shades for blacking out all of the windows. So like I said, the option of the bike rack, you have the Thule awning. This is your freshwater fill there. So coming back round the side, you have an LED light on the other side. So we're going to go inside now. So the door has two positions. It can stop here, or you can have the door fully open to here. Also, as you see in there, we have the table. That table, you can take that table out and you can connect it on this bracket here, so you have a table outside. This is an option. It has the fly screen that goes across on the stop the mozzies coming in. Electric step, outside light. So as we come inside, the table has many adjustments. You can slide the table forward. It does have 4 cushions that are coloured to match this as well, which are under the seat. But that just gives you, if you sit there, so the table will then fold away, so you can sit comfortably in this position and also there. So again, if Carl comes round to the front, these 2 seats here, full leather upholstery and Alcantara, which was a factory option. It also has, which is an option, ISOFIX child seat points fitted in both of those seats there. So you've got ISOFIX Avtex Pro telly, which is a Wi-Fi television. So you can have your Amazon Fire Stick running on that, and it has Wi-Fi as well built in the back. So the telly will run off the Wi-Fi, and also if you want to take the Wi-Fi with you down to the beach, you can take it with you, and you've got Wi-Fi that'll work. Underneath the floor is all the spare wheel attachments and jacks and all the relevant bits and pieces that you need. You've got storage up here in all of these cupboards, air conditioning controller. Here's your control panel. There's your diesel gas heater, sorry. There's your diesel heater with Webasto. Like I said, it's hot air blowing, and that puts the bed up and down from here. There's your cupboard storage. So we also have the option on this. So as we come forward here, this has the option, which is, again, it has the large fridge, which you can see from that, and freezer. It's a 12-volt fridge, so it actually works brilliantly, really cold. Storage underneath here, and has the option for the UK of oven and grill there. Sink, 2-burner gas hob, and you have the beauty here of the extended. Again, more storage here, and if Carl comes through here, try and quickly demonstrate. You have the toilet there. Let's just turn the, I haven't got the lights turned on, but when you want to have the shower, you literally spin this round, leave it that side, and then you've got a shower space behind the hidden door. a rail there for hanging any clothes, jackets, wet stuff in there. Thetford toilet with the cassette which goes, and then obviously this toilet door folds round like so. So if Carl goes outside and steps back a little bit, this is the party trick of this SGX Twin Sport. This benefits from the second bedroom, which is in the roof, which I will just quickly show you that working. So we just have to release a couple of these. So we can reach this. So as you can, if you go to the front, Carl, you'll see now we have a second roof bed at the top. If Carl goes inside and has a look in there, you can just look upstairs. Has a ladder to go in. If you shine the camera up there, Carl, you can see that you have another bed up there with power lights, sockets and what have you. Avtex TV. So this is the beauty. You can sleep 4 people, you can put bicycles, you can put motorbikes, you can put what you want in it, and away you go. So there you have SGX Twin Sport 640 Adria motorhome, available at John Banks now. Thanks for watching.